Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech hassles into simple, actionable steps. Today's topic is all about how to use Mastercard on Cash App. If you've got a Mastercard and you're looking to link it up for seamless payments, transfers, or even splitting bills, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, what's Cash App? It's a super convenient mobile app that lets you send, receive, and manage money just like a digital wallet. And the best part? Adding your Mastercard is straightforward and secure. Step 1. Make sure you have the Cash App downloaded on your phone. If you don't, head to your App Store, search for Cash App, and install it. Once it's open, sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're just starting out. Next, tap on the Banking tab. It's usually at the bottom of the screen, represented by a little bank icon. Here, you'll see an option to add a bank or card. Select Add Card, and choose Mastercard from the list. Now, enter your card details carefully. That's your card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Cash App might ask you to verify your card through a small test deposit or by confirming a code sent to your phone, so keep an eye out for that. Once your Mastercard is linked, you're good to go. You can use it to fund your Cash App balance, send money to friends, or even make purchases. Just remember, there might be some fees for certain transactions, like instant transfers, so check the app's fee policy to avoid surprises. And if you run into any issues, like a declined card, double-check that your Mastercard is active and has sufficient funds. Cash App's support team is also there to help via their in-app chat. There you have it. Using your Mastercard on Cash App is as easy as 1, 2, 3. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.